Fire Stick not working, black screen. All right, guys, so here's how you can fix this. The first thing is to check your power supply. It's one of the most common issues. Fire Stick actually needs a lot of power, so plug it into a wall socket and not your TV USB, and then use an original adapter and cable. Low power equals black screen or flickering. Now, the second thing you can try is restarting the Fire Stick. So, in order to perform a quick restart, just hold select, that's the center on your button, on your remote, and then where we have play or pause for 5 to 10 seconds. So, hold the center and then play or pause for 5 to 10 seconds to restart the Fire Stick. Or basically just unplug it from power, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Now, another thing you can try is change the HDMI port you're using. So move the Fire Stick over to another HDMI port on your TV or remove any HDMI extender and plug it directly. So plug it directly into the HDMI port. Now, sometimes the port might actually be the issue. So if your TV port has issues, you might want to get that fixed. Now, another thing you could try is make sure your TV is on the correct HDMI source or just try another TV. And then you can also factory reset it, which is to hold back and right, that's on the circular navigation for 10 seconds to reset the power stick. The fire stick. That should be a last resort. All right.